Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function bin. Welcome, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fundamental Python built-in function that helps us understand binary representations, bin. This tool is key for anyone looking to grasp how data is handled at the most basic digital level. Let's unlock the potential of bin together. The bin function in Python converts an integer number to a binary string. The syntax is straightforward. Bin with the argument x, where x is the integer you want to convert. The function returns the binary string formatted with a 0b prefix, which stands for binary. Before going further, it's essential to understand what binary numbers are. Unlike the decimal system, which uses 10 digits from 0 to 9, the binary system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Each digit in a binary number represents an exponential power of 2, starting from the rightmost digit, which represents 2 raised to the 0 power. Why bin? In computer science, binary numbers are fundamental as computers operate using binary data. Understanding the binary form of numbers can help in low-level programming, debugging, and optimizing performance where direct bit manipulation is required. The bin function is particularly useful when you need to perform bit-level operations, or when trying to understand or implement algorithms that involve binary decision processes. It's also used in educational settings to teach the binary number system. Let's walk through some examples to illustrate the use of bin. In our first example, we use bin to convert an integer number to a binary number. In our second example, we can use bin to show some binary operations. Here, we're implementing a bitwise OR on 2 integers. In the third example, we're showing how you can use bin to check whether or not a number is even. A binary number that ends in 0 is always even. So after we convert a number to its binary form, if it ends in 0, we can say that's an even number. So these examples demonstrate how bin can be applied from simple conversions to aiding in bit manipulation and understanding algorithmic behavior through binary characteristics. And there you have it, a thorough explanation of Python's bin function. By mastering the bin function, you can deepen your understanding of how data is processed at the binary level and enhance your programming and debugging skills. Keep advancing your Python knowledge with us. For more tips and in-depth tutorials, make sure to subscribe.